Hi, and welcome to this short video which shows you how easy it is to create a new form in Ffenics and how to relate it to another form by creating a relationship. We need to be signed into the familiarization application and should be viewing the Ffenics catalog. When creating a new form, it can be done by either going through the menu, File, New, Form, or by clicking the New Form button on the toolbar. There is already a form in this system called Products, but it might be useful to have a form called Product Types, which will then enable us to report and categorize information at this higher level. So let's go ahead and create the Product Types form. The new document dialog box opens up, and we are now going to name the form Product Types. The form opens up in design mode, and we are going to start by giving the form a title. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is a floating toolbar, and in the top right is a capitalized letter T. Select this by clicking on it, and the cursor changes to reflect the type of object we are creating. We are now able to position a text object on the screen exactly where we want. Next, we can click where the new text is going to be, and then type the text, in this case, Product Types, and then press Return. That's the title created, but now we want to make it look a bit more like a title. The text should be highlighted. If it isn't, just click on it. Then on the toolbar at the top of the page, we click on the drop-down list and choose Document Title Normal. This has updated the display of the text label Product Types to make it look more title-like. Each object on the screen can have different display attributes, such as the font, color, fill, border, and so on. When using that drop-down list, we were, in fact, picking a predefined style for a text object. These styles for each type of object are held in a style sheet. The default style sheet only has a few styles for each object type, but you can have as many as you want. Some of the other style sheets that come with Ffenics have dozens of styles for a text object, but for this exercise we have kept it simple and only used the default style sheet. OK, now we need to create the text label Product Type. Again, we select the text object from the toolbar, position it, click and enter the text Product Type. Next, we need to create the field. Select the field object, position it, click and see the field definition. The field name has been picked up automatically from the screen. The type is text and the length is 20. These can, of course, be changed. Let's accept these as being suitable and click OK. So that's the form created. Now we need to save it. The next task is to create the join between the Product Types form and the Products form. To do this, we go into the Products form in design mode and create a new field. The prompt is Product Type and the field is Text 20. When in Products form, we will want to be able to look up Product Type. Ffenics' simple and easy to use language will let us do this. Go to Field Derivation and type in Lookup. We need a new relationship, so let's select New Relationship by double-clicking it. You can now create the relationship between the two forms, Products and Product Types. Because we are editing Products, Ffenics has pre-selected Products as one of the forms in the relationship. Next, we select the other side, Product Types, and now select the fields upon which the relationship is based. And obviously, the relationship is when Product Type equals Product Type. That's the relationship done. We save it and return to the field derivation. The relationship is now there to be used, Product Types, so click it and then select the field name Product Type. That's the syntax for a lookup. Lookup, then the form name, followed by the field name. Now we can enter some product types in table view and select Support and Product and Training. And then we will save them. Let's go and use this form and the relationship. We will go and select the product form. call up the first record, which is an 8x5 support contract, and use the relationship to complete the product type field. With the cursor in product type, we select the lookup button on the toolbar, and from the complete table of product types to choose from, select support. Now completed, we will save this record and move on to the next. So, in just a few minutes, you have learnt how to create a form, create a relationship, and how to use that relationship to look up data from another form quickly and easily. Relationships are key to how Ffenics hang together. You will see them in use throughout the familiarization application. That's it for this short video on creating a form and using relationships. Now go to the next in the series, which will help build your knowledge and enable you to get the most out of Ffenics.